As front of your eyes, you can see some of the extrusion lines will be finished and some of the extrusion lines still on manufacture. All these extrusion lines will be exported soon. This is for net cable manufacture for take-up. From in front of your eyes, this is 1205 bunching machine. It's for twisting the multiple coarse copper twist. This is Mr. Wu, Mr. Huang. He has already doing this industry around 10 years. This is Mr. Xie. He is very professional engineer for doing the wire and the cable machine manufacture around more than 10 years. This is a taping machine. And here is some of the spare parts we still stand by waiting for delivery. And from this side, you can see some of the copper twisting and bunching machine. These are some of the motor spare parts waiting for installation and doing. These are the spare parts. Here we move to our warehouse. As you see, we have the professional engineers stay here every day to ensure each spare parts go inside, and then to testing each spare parts will be okay, and then we will be using for outside for insulated wire and cable machine. And here each spare parts have the number inside each size. We have the system to control to ensure each of the spare parts will be 100% ensured to install on the right place on the machine. And also have some picture loading here. We'll be showing our engineer when they need to take some of the spare parts for manufacture the machine. All these spare parts must be go through the professional engineer testing, and then can be put in here. Before the engineer move these spare parts for installation, must be go through the professional engineer here to checking, and then go for use. This is a control system we're doing here. These are the all spare parts we're doing here. It shows us how many orders we're still waiting for us. This is mortar. And here is some of the raw material manufacture will be manufactured here, and some of the spare parts we will be using our machine to manufacture. For be many of the spare parts to be 100% insured, no problem. These engineers, Mr. Chu, Mr. Shi, has already working with our factory around 5 years to ensure the quality. Today we were doing the loading of a 40 GP container for export to Indonesia. This is what we can do to our customers, because to ensure everything will be fine after doing the test, and it will be export. These are bobbins. These are the control box, electrical control boxes. This is our factory outside. You can see.